Hello folks, this is Aytan Ajha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we are going to talk about the Seagate Backup Portable Plus hard drive. This is a 5 TB version that I'm going to talk about today, and if you're somebody who stores a lot of stuff, you will definitely like this video. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for this one. Inside the box you get the Seagate Backup Plus portable drive, 12-inch USB 3.0 connecting cable, you get the quick start guide, 2 months Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan, a downloadable toolkit backup software. Now let's talk about the build and design. It has a very nice metallic design and it has got a textured metal finish to it. 11.5 centimeters long, 8 centimeters wide and 2.9 centimeters thick. It does not weigh a lot at just around 265 grams. I felt that it was pretty handy and easy to use. If we talk about support, it supports Windows 7 or higher. It supports all of the versions of Mac OS after 10.11. By default, it's formatted in exFAT and there's a Seagate tool on the inside, but as a normal person, I would recommend you to format this hard drive and remove that Seagate tool before using it. It's only handy in some certain situations. I plan to use it for editing, so I formatted it via the disk utility to APFS format so that I can get the best possible speeds on my iMac editing setup. Now let's talk about the tech specs. It has a 2.5-inch rotating hard drive on the inside. It does not require any external power source apart from the USB connection, and you get around 120 to 130 megabyte per second write speeds on this one, 130 to 140 megabyte per second read speeds on this one. And if you're somebody who's really technical and if you have the question inside your heart whether you would be able to edit 4K videos on this one or not, the answer is yes. Yes, my friend, you can edit 4K HD videos on using files stored on this portable hard drive. And at the end, let's come to the price and conclusion. It retails for a price of around 9,000 rupees in India. And if you're somebody who's going to buy it, who should buy it? If you're somebody who has a lot of storage needs, if you are going to keep it dormant in one location, if you're not going to move it everywhere, and if you are just going to keep it connected to your desktop or laptop and not travel a lot with this one, I would recommend it to you. But if you're somebody who has to travel a lot, who has to keep the hard drive in your bag, and there are chances that it would fall off, I would suggest that you should go and look for something more rugged and durable, because a lot of user forums and a lot of people have complained online that this one gets some real damage when it falls down. So if you're going to use it in a nice cozy setup, it would work great for you. But if it falls down, well, we all know how it goes. So you get 2 years of warranty with this one, which you can claim just after you buy the product on the Seagate website. And overall, it's a great product for a lot of people. But at the end of the day, your usage is defined by your use case. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.